There's fun in learning around the bend. You could even do it with your best friend. If there's science stuff that you like to know, come watch Allie and CoCo Science Show.
Hello my holly jolly friends and family. Welcome back to another beautiful day at a very CoCo Christmas, right? Today, I'm going to sound very barefoot, Contessa, but I have some friends coming over that I need to bake cookies for. So I thought, what a great opportunity to make my favorite holiday cookie. And it just so happens to be kind of made by my favorite human being / musician of all time, Taylor Swift. Yes, these are Taylor Swift's chai eggnog sugar cookies. I'm going to leave the recipe down below in the description for you guys. Basically what we're doing is we're making sugar cookies based off of Joy the Baker's recipe. They're really good. So we're making sugar cookies and putting a package of chai tea in it, like loose leaf tea. So if you have loose leaf, that's better, but this is what I had on hand. Store-bought's fine. If you have any dietary restrictions, let's say you're gluten-free, you're vegan or dairy-free or anything, make your favorite sugar cookie and put a package of chai tea in it. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna melt a half cup of butter and mix it with a half cup of oil. Now, I don't have vegetable oil. You can use any of your favorite vegetable oil. So I'm using part butter and part olive oil. I like to kind of, hi CoCo, just play it by ear. So I just eyeball it. Very exact cookies. Now, you may be like, olive oil in a cookie? That's weird. It kind of gives it a full flavor, so, you know, feel free to experiment with this one. So we're mixing our butter, our oil, and you're gonna take a half cup of granulated sugar. Now I try and make it as waste-free as possible, but last time I went to my bulk section for baking ingredients, they didn't have everything I needed. So if you do have to get stuff from the non-bulk, make sure it's in paper if you can help that. A half cup of powdered sugar. After you add your butter, oil, 2 sugars, we're gonna go for an egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Oh, I love vanilla. Orchid AC, it is an orchid. Just make sure that's nice and mixed. Oh, you can jump down. Uh-oh, do you need to sit? You wanna watch me? CoCo, last time you supervised me making cookies, you licked the sugar right out of the bowl. Now you're gonna rip open that tea bag or get about a tablespoon of loose leaf chai tea. Now actually, in Hindi, chai means tea, so I just said tea and I sound like an idiot. Now did you know, first off, chai is a black tea. It's the same plant species. It's the same species as green tea, oolong, white tea. They're all Camellia sinensis. Chai was a very important thing they traded on the Silk Road because it could last a long time on the journey. So very cool. Very cool science, right? Yeah, humans and their tasty plants. A lot of places call it masala chai, which means spiced tea. And there are a plethora of spices in this one that I use today. There's, let's see, there's cinnamon, yes, in the Lauraceae family, ginger root, cloves, cardamom, star anise, black pepper, vanilla, I think that's it. Oh, nutmeg and chicory, of course. So many spices in here, it's gonna make it taste so good. So once you're done with that, you're gonna add 2 cups of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. You're gonna make a dough like I have here. And then we're gonna put this bad boy in the fridge for an hour or the freezer for 15 minutes. You don't get to lick the spoon, I'm sorry, you're not allowed. Something happened one magical night. I forgot that you existed. And I thought that it would kill me, but it didn't. Got out some popcorn as soon as my reps started going down, down, down. Flashback waking me up. Hey, I see you. While your cookies are baking, you're gonna make the eggnog, I guess an icing. So what I'm doing is I added a cup of powdered sugar. Now the recipe says a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, but I'm doing a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. So I've added a tablespoon, I added a little extra of almond milk. Now if you want to go ahead and do it the way Taylor does it and put eggnog in there, go for it. If you're like me and you can't do dairy or you don't do dairy, just go ahead and use whatever milk product, yes baby, that you can't have this. So use whatever milk product you prefer. Add more if you need it, if it's not viscous enough, like this. See that? Now what you're gonna do, bake your cookies, let the cookies cool, and then just kind of drizzle this on all your cookies, and that's it. So guys, the cookies have cooled down. We have our cinnamon, nutmeg, eggnog icing. You're just gonna drizzle it on those cookies, and then you're done. So just as kind of an example, here's our guy right now. Oops. Ooh, yeah, just kind of spread it on that cookie. You may need more than 1 spoonful, just like that. And there you go. You have the Taylor Swift's chai tea eggnog cookie. And we just gotta taste test it right now. Always delicious. Oh my god. So for the question of the day, I want to know, what is your favorite holiday treat? I really like these chai eggnog cookies. But I also really like making pizzelles because I'm Italian, so we gotta. What's your favorite holiday treat? How very modest of you. So guys, don't forget to comment down below. Tell us what your favorite holiday treat is. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to follow us for more adventures. And hit that like button if you love the recipe or you like cute puppies. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye! The player's gonna play. And the baker's gonna bake.